The presentation, exquisite. I can't really tip it up for you here. It's called Almond Cream Cottontail by Melanie Morris from Mount Pleasant. And of course, that is cream that you have on the plate there.
That's cream and Indian paint is what I call it, but actually it's cream.
Ketchup and mustard, huh?
It's ketchup and no, it's not ketchup and mustard. It's curry flavored cream and paprika flavored cream.
Well, now which is
used in squirt bottles to.
Okay, well, so you have the paprika.
In the red,
is
and
in
then
red.
the curry in the yellow.
Okay, so you just mix it up so it's kind of a thick consistency?
Right, it takes about an hour to infuse, and then you're ready.
And then you're ready, but you're not really ready. You cut little swirls. What did you call that?
That's right. Cut little swirls.
Seriously?
You nap the plate.
You nap the plate, then you squirt your little circles, and then you use your knife to pull away from the center of the plate to make the design.
The design on
And
this.
then you hope it doesn't get too messed up from the kitchen to the table.
Yeah, I would think you'd almost want to do this on the table, but this is did you go to a chef's school or something? Or how did you learn this?
I read a lot, and I read cookbooks for pleasure. And once I moved here to Michigan and learned how popular wild game cooking was, I became interested in that.
Boy, I'll tell you, this is the leg of a rabbit that evidently has not done much running. Because I'll tell you, it's really, but these are cottontails, that were taken by hunters just yesterday. And this is about the whitest meat cottontail leg I've tasted, and it is outstanding.
Very large cottontail.
What did you do to, here's the plate as it came out of the oven. How did you cook it?
Well, you first just dredge the rabbit in flour, and then you dip it in a seasoned butter. It's got curry, paprika, celery salt, things like that in the butter. You roll it in the butter, bake it, pour some half and half around it, sprinkle some almonds.
The almonds, I can almost taste the almonds, I think.
And then you siphon off, or you use a bowl baster and take some of the liquid and put some sour cream with it and put it back on to the rabbit.
Okay, you know what you're creating here is an outstanding recipe that sounds terrific and not that difficult, but people are going to be intimidated by because of all the fancy stuff you have to do.
What
the
fancy
turkey
stuff?
baster and all that. It really isn't that hard?
If anyone has ever cooked a Thanksgiving meal, they know what a turkey baster is. It's not that hard to use.
So I'm all wet on that. This is really easy recipe to put together.
It's very easy.
And scrumptious. And if you don't do the swirls around the plate...
You don't have to. This is just for show.
It's tasty, though. Man. Fred, how'd you find her?
Just lucky, I guess, Fred. Just lucky.
Oh, man.
In the produce section of a grocery store.
Is that right? Well, we won't get into that story, but I tell you, this Almond Cream Cottontail, top of the heap. Just excellent, Melanie. Excellent. All of the recipes you've seen on this show since October 1st will be published in the Practical Sports